little stop on a bike ride. I want to stop and take it all in. I saw this little green bird drinking out of the water faucet. It was too funny. I got a little video of it, fortunately. That little island out there. So this is the dog beach. And I don't know if I'll be able to have the sound with the wind. But this is the beach you can bring your dogs to. So that's kind of nice that they have an area. I was going to walk on that pier, but I guess it's closed for maintenance. Just making my way to the fort. Stopping along the way. It's not like I bike ride all the time, so I've got to be careful and not kill myself. I love this. Love it. I always got to come look for shells. To lock my bike. I don't know if they have bike racks. They should. As many people ride their bikes around here. Well, we'll go check it out.